Hello again, this is your Professor Imran. Um, Last week I uploaded a video on how to use free GIMP software to reduce number of colors from a picture. And you have to go through less steps to do that in the GIMP software. However, you can do the same thing like the reducing number of colors from a picture or an image using Adobe Photoshop 2. I was under an impression that I can reduce to like 8 to 9 colors, not less than that, using the Adobe Photoshop, and which is not true. Professor Melanie, she reached out to another professor, Professor Suzanne from Textile Surface Design Department, and based on her instruction, she covers like reducing colors to 4 or less. I'd like to thank both Professor Melanie and Professor Suzanne for this. For our Stoll Portfolio assignment, the size of your image should be 200 by 200 pixels or less. Remember, I just would like to remind you, each pixel represents a stitch. Each color needs that color of yarn package. Make sure you understand that. When you resize image using GIMP, it will cut the image short to maintain the resize dimension rather than scale down the whole image, keeping all the elements intact in the image. Here are the examples you can see. This is original picture, as you can see, with all these colors and everything. And then this one, edited and researched by GIMP, and you can see it's a portion of that entire picture. Now, if this is okay for your portfolio, go ahead and use the GIMP software. Now, if you do the same thing using Adobe Photoshop, this is what happened. You have the whole picture, and this is edited and resized by Adobe Photoshop. Now, here is the instruction how to reduce colors using Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to walk you through step by step using this document, and let's get started then. So this is your Adobe Photoshop. So I will open the file. Now look at here, this is my strawberry original file. So this is my original file. I'll make it bigger, just Control plus or Control minus. You can have this, you can make it bigger or smaller. Now first thing is that if I go to image, if I go to the image size, as you can see, this is bigger than your requirement. It's more than 600 pixels. We need 200 minimum. So we'll resize later after reducing the color. So I'm going to cancel it right now. And if I go to image, mood, and then I will go to indexed color, and you can see this is what happened. Now, so in index color, make sure you set all this option none here. You could see different information, but they need to be none. And then this palette, under this palette, go to custom, and these are all different color. Now these are all different color. You can see a lot of different way. I just want to let you know that if you select, it could be different, like primary is black and white wave, whatever it is, that's fine. You don't have to do anything here. But in here, again, go to custom, and then from this is the color table you can see here. So I'm clicking and dragging from this upper corner toward the end, and look at there. This is, I'm selecting as a white color, or this is the number F, like 6F here. So this is white, and you can say this is the white color, and I'm gonna make it okay now. And then this is my canvas, like empty canvas. Now I will pick color in this canvas. Now let's say now this is the first block. I click on the first block, and you can see I can pick color from my picture. Now look at this picture. This is a eyedrop tool. Let's say I will pick the red color first. So this is my red color. This is my like maroon or red, whatever it is. So this is my first color. Okay. And then I'm gonna go to the next color, and then I will pick my green color. Okay. And then in my third color, you can see it does have a black color in between, so I will click that color. Okay. And then so maximum 4 colors. I will pick another color, and that another color would be, you see, if you look at here or different place, this is the particular place, it has a different shade of the red, and I will select this color. Okay. And now this is my picture, which has 4 colors. And even though if you see some white shade in between, I believe if you resize the image, you cannot see this one. So this is your all, you have 4 color in this picture. Now what you're gonna do is, so I will resize this first image size, and I will make it 200, and proportionately it will be 133 pixels in height. I'm going to make it okay. So this is your resize shape. And even if you see some of the white, you have to manually select those color, like the find and replace option, and you can change any of these 4 color. After that, if you go to save as, now you select your destination where you want to save. So let's say I select my desktop, and this should be my strawberry resized and reduced color, something, and remember, you have to save it as a bitmap file, BMP file. So if you go to the format, and you can say this is the BMP file, you can do it or make it as a copy, whatever you want. I just do it as it is, and then save. And so bitmap is a window, so whatever it is, you don't have to do anything else. You just hit OK, and that's done. Now close. Now if you want to see this one again, open. Now this is our file today, and this is the file you can see here. So I hope this instruction will help you for your Stoll portfolio swatch. Stay safe and bye. Thank you.